Looking for a healthy breakfast that aligns with your dietary goals? Let's talk about animal-based yogurt. This nutrient-dense option is packed with protein, healthy fats, and probiotics, making it a powerhouse for your morning routine. Unlike traditional yogurt, animal-based yogurt is made from sources like goat or sheep milk, which are often easier to digest and less inflammatory. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, supporting muscle recovery and gut health. You can enjoy it plain or add toppings like nuts, seeds, or berries for an extra nutrient boost. Plus, it's a fantastic way to incorporate more animal products into your diet, especially if you're following a carnivore or keto lifestyle. So, next time you're planning your breakfast, consider this delicious, creamy option that fuels your body and keeps you satisfied throughout the morning. Give it a try and feel the difference.